Hey guys, it's Chris at Highline Guitars. You're watching another one of my YouTube guitar building videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video, I'll have earned the honor and privilege of your subscription. So in today's video, I am going to be painting and clear coating my 3D printed guitar body and neck. Now to do this, I'm going to be using Createx airbrush colors. And I'll be spraying it using my Qual Spray QS 125 WB finishing spray gun. And the color that I'm spraying is the 5201 Opaque Blue. I buy these in 2-ounce bottles, and typically for a body and a neck, I'll buy 3 of these bottles. And I'm just going to spray it straight from the container. No primer, nothing like that. I'll just spray it directly onto the body. Should work just fine. And my plan is to spray 3 coats of the blue over the body. Then I'll let that dry for a couple of days. Then I'll come back and I'm going to spray Crystalac Brightone Instrument Finish in a matte sheen. And I'm going to spray that using my Earl-X 5500 spray gun. And the reason I'm using this instead of my finishing gun is because the Crystalac right out of the container is really thick, and I don't like to thin my clear coats because when you thin them, it tends to make them less durable. So I'm going to spray it straight from the container, but those first 4 to 5 coats require the use of the Earl-X fitted with a 2mm needle so I can spray this stuff with its thick viscosity through my spray gun. Then what I'll do is I'll sand the surface after I've sprayed those 4 to 5 coats, get it really smooth. Then I'm going to take the Crystalac Brightone and I'm going to thin it ever so slightly so that I can switch to a 1mm needle, and I'll spray my last 3 to 4 coats using that setup. And I should get a perfectly smooth, flaw-free finish. So let's get started. Hey guys, if you're really enjoying this video, it would be awesome if you would click that thumbs up button down below. And if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button while you're at it. Both are free to do. They don't cost you anything, and it's a great way to show my channel support. But if you really want to get the most out of this channel, I would suggest you click the join button down below, because as a member, you're going to have access to exclusive content that contains a lot more information and detail than the rest of my videos on this channel. Also, you're going to have access to my Q&A live streams. Now let's get back to the video. All right, well, the body and the neck are now finished. I have a perfect blue finish with a perfect clear coat with nice matte sheen, no flaws anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hang this up with the neck, and I'm going to let those cure for probably the next 3 weeks. That's how long it's going to take. And then once that's done, I can then proceed with the final assembly of this guitar. And that's going to continue in part 6 of this series. So as always, I hope you've enjoyed the content in this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. That always helps the channel. And as always, if you want to help show support for this channel so I can keep making these videos and sharing my knowledge and experience, you can visit eguitarplants.com or my Highline Guitars merch store. There's links in the description below. Or you can also click the thanks button down below and leave a tip. And don't forget, you can also include a question with your tip, and I promise I'll answer it ASAP. And then of course, if you want to get the most out of this channel, I would encourage you to click the join button, as I mentioned before, and you're going to be able to watch videos just like this one, but with a lot more detail. So until the next episode, as always, take care, stay safe, and I hope you'll be back for future guitar building videos.